Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic alternator. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent any electrical hazards. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start working. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle's charging system. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. First, locate your serpentine belt tensioner. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the main electrical connector and the battery cable from the back of the alternator. Finally, remove the two mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. Once those are out, you can gently maneuver the old alternator out of its position. With the old alternator out, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully slide the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Align the bolt holes and then insert and tighten the two mounting bolts. Ensure they are snug, but do not over-tighten them. Next, reconnect the main electrical connector and the battery cable to the back of the alternator. Double-check that all connections are secure and properly seated before moving on to the final steps. You're almost done. Now, carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, making sure it's correctly seated on each one, including the alternator pulley. Once the belt is back on, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Ensure it's tight and secure. Finally, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, indicating that your new alternator is working correctly and charging your vehicle's electrical system as it should. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Honda Civic alternator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.